this hair tutorial using a bandana. Bandanas were super popular in the early 2000s. We saw Aaliyah rocking them, J-Lo, a lot of the girls from 3LW, you know, Lizzie McGuire. So I just wanted to bring it back here. So what I'm doing first is just going to be this simple, just like wrapped bandana look, and it's super easy. You just take the bandana and fold it into kind of like a half diamond. So I posted a picture of Keely Williams here, like she rocked that bandana, but Aaliyah did too, so we're not gonna forget her, that she rocked this bandana look. So that's the first hairstyle. You can do it curly, straight. My hair was straightened already, so I just decided to leave my hair straight for the tutorial. Super easy, but I just love the way it looks. Okay, so what I'm doing now is I'm not doing anything really that different. I'm just adjusting the bandana a bit, like to move more up on my head, and I'm gonna have the hairs falling down on my face for this part, and then I'm just gonna give myself some pigtails. I did a Lizzie McGuire hair tutorial. I'm going to leave that linked below because I already did a hair tutorial for her inspired hairstyles, but this is another thing you could do. And you could see I had a faded tattoo on my shoulder, so my shoulder is not dirty. It's just faded. I mean, I haven't shaved my armpits here. I mean, wow, I know, but I need to say it before the trolls do, right? I just put my hair half up, half down, and I'm doing the same thing, and it's just something super simple. I'm just showing you guys each way you can do it. I really like this hairstyle too, but it wasn't my favorite one. Yeah, so that's another quick, easy thing you could do with a band. Maybe we could spend some time. I can be your sunshine. Bandana, there's a lot more looks, but I just wanted to focus on the more 2000s oriented ones. I mean, pinup is really popular with bandanas. There's tons of tutorials like that on YouTube. But yeah, so now I'm doing the Baby Spice type of look where I do pigtails up. And I'm going to take the bandana and wrap it around my head. J-Lo rocked this look. Of course, I'm going to add a little braid on one of the little pigtails. I just thought it looked super cute. You could leave it like this too, and it looks like amazing. Like this, you put like a little braid really quickly. Then it will just change up the look. And there you go. I hope you guys enjoyed this Y2K bandana inspired hair tutorials, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!